going on, guys? I'm out here today with Caleb and Julio, and we're gonna be fishing Mosquito Lagoon. First time we've all been out here, but we're hoping to get, what do you say, Caleb, the inshore slam?
Inshore slam.
For us, it's gonna be redfish, trout, snook.
That's it.
All right, so that's the goal today.
Bonus is a tarpon. That's the bonus points.
That's the bonus points. But yeah, we're just gonna out here do some saltwater fishing, hopefully bring some food back to eat. Let's get to it. My drag is set so loose. Little trout. I got it.
Let's go. Dang, he looks sick. That's fire.
I don't think that's a keeper.
Oh, we had like a minimum size.
Look on that tape right there on the deck.
Oh, yeah. It's a trout right here. Trout.
Not less than 15 inches or more than 19 inches PO. You may not possess more than one over 19 inch per vessel bag.
So you keep one over 19?
Not less than 15 inches or more than 19.
You keep one over 19.
I don't know. This is probably too small.
He looks like 12.
That's sick though. I've never seen that.
Right? He let me know I need to tighten my drag, boy. I don't know what's zero. Slimy ass motherfucker. Ah, he's 14. Look at that.
Oh, little fucker, he made it.
Oh, wait, he did make it, yeah, right?
It's between 15 and 19, right?
Yeah, 15 over 19. I think you have one over 19.
Yeah, not less than 15 or more than 19. And you can have one over 19.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
We're fishing the boat.
On the board, baby. There's a dolphin.
Dolphin?
Yeah, should come up like right here. See him?
There you go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he got one!
Trout?
I don't think it's a keeper, but...
Hell no. Dude, he ate the fuck out of it.
Oh, that bitch.
They got teeth stuck in it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you gotta grab him by his head and then...
Ground by his head?
I got pliers up here with it.
Alright, bet. Damn.
Hell yeah, bro.
Dude, he got teeth like a motherfucker. Yeah, I'ma definitely need them pliers.
They're up in that little cup. Maybe the white one's ready, yeah.
Dude, they can't hit me. Dude, look, you swallowed that fucker. I can't even see it, bro. Face all of it. He's bleeding. Ugh, this is disgusting. Hold on, bro. Okay. Hold on. You see it, right? He's slimy as fuck. You was not lying, Josh. Ew. Bro, look at my hands, bro. They're mixed with blood. Dude, they kept hitting my
Oh. Yeah. Looked like it. Oh, yep. Oh.
He left it. He dropped it.
You saw that?
Yeah.
Damn. Right when I was about to fucking set the hook. Gotta be a little trout or something, right?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. You got something? Oh!
Net, grab the net.
Bro, say something. I didn't even know.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Over here. Over here. Over here.
Go. Well, I didn't even know. I got the hit, and then I was just kind of like reeling it. He wasn't doing anything.
Yeah, that one going in the cooler. That's definitely 15. They're so pretty.
I didn't even know. Yeah, and I said, I said,
That was a good one. See if he weighs.
He's 15.
Hey,
Oh,
he is right.
No, you're not even. He definitely 15.
Dude, he 15, cuz. Yo!
We gotta bring something
There's
back.
gotta be something else.
Right?
Should we like, nah, we'll...
Alright, hold on.
That's a big one, bro.
Yeah,
That's a keeper.
that's a good one.
Then over 19. Keep on over. Got slime in there.
Dang, that one way bigger. Dang.
Alright, I'm gonna go down here.
Ooh, he's nice. Damn.
I want one.
Josh is one up.
My bad.
He's definitely
Nice.
That's like a little bit smaller than
He's
what
a
we
nice
got
chunk
at,
too.
Mm-hmm.
Or what's it called? Culver.
Yeah, that K caught.
I told you he was nicer.
He's in the slot, bro.
Damn.
He's fat too. Right.
Chunk.
I got a friend.
Damn.
Ain't getting out me on top.
Dang.
I want one, bro. I don't even care.
Yeah, that was crazy.
You deserve it, Daddy.
What the fuck? Can you hand me those pliers, Julio? Ah, thank you. Now what you gonna do, bitch? What you gonna do now? That's what I thought, ho. Throw the little country boy thing.
Oh, bro, Bro, come on, bro. He just picked up and ran with it.
I might have to switch back. I'm gonna get any bites with this spoon. I thought I would for sure.
Dude, look off the bottom, bro.
I'm about to switch to one of those shrimp at the bottom
I
working.
might go to the fucking NLB. Oh, pull, Julio. Pick it up.
Yeah, tighten the drag. Let him eat for a second.
Let him eat.
You go help him.
Got it, yeah.
Don't set it.
Went down?
It's only a 15-pound braid too, so you're gonna have to work them.
Something nice.
You want me to go towards them? Still on there? Or is it on something? Yeah, just let him run. I think he got it. Oh, let me get the net. Yeah, you got it? I'll trolling motor just in case we need to chase him. I'll tell you right here in front of us, whatever it is. Try to see if you can lift him to the top a little bit, but be careful.
Yeah, don't overwork him, but you got it.
He just went that way, he just took off. Woo! I saw him.
You need to let him run, dude.
He's right here, Caleb. He's about to come up. He's about to take off again. It's a red.
Dude,
it's a big red.
The red?
It's a big red.
Don't overwork him. Let him come up here.
Yeah, Caleb will get him. Just if he takes off, just let him take off. Drag is perfect.
Yeah,
Yep, perfect.
Yeah, see, let him do his thing. It's perfect. If you want to, go to the back of the boat.
No, you're good where you are, Caleb.
Feels like a shark.
Hopefully it's not a catfish.
I think it's a shark.
Really? I thought it was a red.
I don't know.
It's kind of running like
you
one.
can't even see it, so.
It's a big catfish. It's a big catfish.
I know, I see it. Holy shit.
Do I even put him in the net?
Yeah, you gotta get him off the hook. Still fun to fight. It's a sail cat.
They taste good.
They actually do taste good.
There you go, Julio.
Dang, he wanted that crab, boy.
Oh, the crab is crazy.
That was quick.
Damn, that was.
Yeah, I look over, I see it falling. You want a picture of him, Julio?
Sure.
Did your hook come out already?
What?
No, he probably swallowed it. Oh, he did it? Oh, right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Here are the pliers. They're right behind you. Right there. I thought it was a big red for a second. With that little flash.
Holy fuck.
That was a proper sail cat too. Look at that big ass dorsal.
Man, that shit crazy.
Yeah, you can just let him go like that.
Man, he fought hard, boy. Where's the other half?
In the live well.
Yeah, put it on, dude.
Damn, Josh.
That was quick. The fuck.
Dude, that was fucking.
That was probably fun as fuck on that pole too, because that's a like a lighter pole.
Dude, I've never had shit where it pulls right like that.
Julio's biggest fish.
Look, that ass, it's all yours.
Yeah, that was probably like a 10 pounder. There's your 10 pounder. You
Throw a
like?
piece of beef jerky on there.
Here, I'll put it on there. Like I'm bass fishing now. Bouncing on the bottom.
Yeah, I feel like I'm scoping, but no scope.
Yeah, a bunch of manatees in this bitch. That what that was right there? You know they eat them in like New Zealand, but they're called something else. Dugong?
Dugong, that's what it is. You have one?
Yeah. I was recording.
Julio, Manatee right in front of the boat.
Don't fucking wave at them, move that way.
That's my Manatee's got all the
Hold on. Got some wake. Like, I wonder what goes through those people's head. Like,
alcohol.
yeah, but I mean, you see 200 boats just idling, like going nice and slow.
No, they just think they're better than everybody else. They'll probably do it.
But those are also the same people that fucking do the speed limit on the fucking road. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. They do 75 in the fucking right lane or left lane.
Yeah.